So what's up, guys? We got anything? Chris, thank you for leaving those comments, man. Anybody got any questions?
Cigar nights.
Huh? Cigar nights coming up. Is that
tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
It's tomorrow. You find a sitter, bro?
Huh?
You coming?
Have you seen that TikTok where the man sitting at the table and he got his food and he's like, "Hey, babe, can I eat?" And she was like, "Sure, go ahead and eat." She was like, "I was almost done. I was almost about to sit down, but go ahead." And he was like, "Well, I'll wait for you. You sure you want, I'll wait." She was like, "No, you just do what you're going to do." She was like, "I mean, if I'm moving too slow," right? And she keeps telling him like he kind of can, but like she's giving a reason why he shouldn't.
You can't.
So that's kind of the situation I'm in, because I brought it up like we both would go, but then finding the sitter because it's school night. She's like, "Oh, you just go." And I'm like, "But you said you wanted to go too. We can make it happen." "No, it's okay." And I'm like,
Don't do it.
So I just gotta assess the situation one more time and kind of and see just how to get through there.
Way to dig your own grave.
Huh?
Way to dig your own grave.
I dug it because I did want her to go with me, and then I didn't realize that it was. I realized that it was a school night. I don't think about it because I always go. And so I don't think about like, oh, well,
right. Well, she's at home. Yeah.
Well, because if we both go and she's like, "Oh, well, it's a school night," I'm like, "Oh, they'll be all right." You know what I mean? But that's the mother instinct, right? Like, no, they got to get in bed. They got to, da-da. And so to me, it's like, oh, well, those are things like you kind of take care of those already. So like, I can go, right? So just figuring it out, bro. Just, that comes with something. So I'm about to give somewhere.